Hi there, I'm Professor Blackmore, and I'm coming back to you today to talk to you about my independently published books on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, also known as Amazon KDP. But before I go any further, if you haven't been here before, I want to ask that you please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell so you won't miss any of my tips. And please also follow me on TikTok and Instagram. Okay, and so this is one of the books that I want to talk to you about. Okay, now the first thing that I want to tell you is that I published this book because of a course that has been selling on Udemy over the past couple of years. And here is the course page here for this particular course. And now I'll talk to you about passive income another time, but I literally earn money in my sleep from sales of this course on Udemy. And as you can see here from my student page, I have sold this course to over 235 students in 42 different countries, over 12 particular different languages. And all I had to do was to post it. I can actually reach these 42 different countries without lifting a finger. And so this month I've sold this course 13 times already in 6 different countries. And so you can see some of the countries here: the Netherlands, India, the United States, Thailand, Canada, Antigua and Barbuda, and Australia. So that's just this month alone. Now, over the lifetime of this course, you can see all of the different countries: Malaysia, Brazil, Saudi Arabia, Turkey, Thailand, Germany, Egypt, France, the Philippines, Singapore. I know for sure that this class is very popular in India as well. And so this is one of my most popular courses. And if you scroll down to the bottom of the course page, you'll see my course reviews and how students love how I actually teach them step-by-step instructions on how to analyze business problems that could result from business goals for the particular business, and how to write a contract with this mindset. And so as you can see here are the student reviews for this course. Okay, so it stands to follow that I wanted to publish this course in a book format so that I can sell it on Amazon KDP, generating even more passive income, selling copies of the book while I sleep. And I made it just in time for Amazon Prime Day. So now here is the paperback version of the book. And as you can see, it has nice step-by-step illustrations of what you do in drafting each component of the contract. I also provide you with fictional scenarios of different types of contractual situations where people didn't have a contract when they were working on maybe a verbal contract, and how that worked out for them. And then you can also see that there's also step-by-step instruction of my Professor Blackmore's business issues worksheet analysis. And in the back, there are select samples of contracts for all different types of business scenarios. I have here this aircraft purchase contract. I also have a technology license agreement sample in the back of this book. And so as you can see, this will be very useful for those of you who want to learn how to draft a contract. So as you can see, it provides the same step-by-step instructions on my philosophy for negotiating and writing contracts that you'll learn in my Udemy course. And in the back, there are sample contracts for a variety of different business scenarios. So all you have to do is navigate to Amazon.com, and I provided the link in the description section of this video. And when you get there, you'll see the book here, and it'll provide you with the option to purchase the paperback copy, as well as to be able to purchase the Kindle version. And it also provides you with an opportunity to look inside of the book and take a sample of it to see if you love it. And so here I'm going to go over if you just want to search for the book in Amazon by just putting in contract writing for dummies and see what comes up. And if you scroll down, you'll see the book here, this one that has Dana T. Blackmore. Now that's my book. So here, if you want to take a look inside of that Kindle version, and once you click that look inside button, it'll give you a short preview of what's inside of this book so that you can get an opportunity to see if you like the book. It gives you this opportunity to sample the book. Also, there are students who just want to purchase the book with the samples. So here is a paperback version of my samples only manual right here. Now this book is just the samples that you will find in the back of the main book, because there are some people who just want to purchase the samples, and so they'll have all kinds of samples, sample contracts in this samples only manual, which is available in paperback format. And so you can also find this samples only in the Kindle edition or the Kindle version as well here on Amazon. And so it gives you an opportunity to look inside of this version as well. And so it gives you just a little sneak preview so that you can look at all of the different samples that are included. And so you can find the Amazon version of the samples book as well here on Amazon in the Kindle format. And what's even more interesting to me is that this is the #1 release in contract law. I love that. Anyway. And so to purchase this version as well, you're going to use that same process, and you're going to run right over to Amazon.com. And I provided for a link for this copy of my book as well in the description area of this video. And when you get there, you can choose whether you want to buy the paperback version or the Kindle version. So I hope you'll run right over to Amazon and purchase my books so that you can learn my game-changing strategies for drafting contracts for any type of business deal. And in the meantime, please check out some of my videos on this topic, and please, while you're there, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell so you won't miss any of my tips. And please also follow me on TikTok and Instagram.